back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of unique high ceiling lighting ideas and how to illuminate a high ceiling with stunning ideas for your home decor. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. High ceiling lighting adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. It not only illuminates the space but also draws the eye upward, creating a sense of height and grandeur. However, choosing the right lighting for high ceilings can be a challenge. In this video, we will explore the different types of high ceiling lighting and provide tips on how to illuminate your space. What type of lighting is best for high ceilings? When it comes to lighting high ceilings, you need fixtures that can cast light downward without creating harsh shadows or glare. Recessed lighting is a popular choice for high ceilings as it provides a clean and minimalist look. Pendant lights are also a great option, especially if you want to add a decorative element to your space. Chandeliers can also work well in high ceilinged rooms, but be sure to choose a fixture that is appropriately sized for your space. What is a high ceiling light called? High ceiling lights are often referred to as uplights or downlights. Uplights cast light upward and are ideal for creating a soft and warm glow. Downlights, on the other hand, cast light downward and are perfect for task lighting and highlighting specific areas of your room. How do you illuminate a high ceiling? There are several ways to illuminate a high ceiling, depending on your style and preference. If you have recessed lighting, make sure to space the fixtures evenly to create a balanced look. For pendant lights, consider hanging them in a cluster or staggered pattern for a dramatic effect. Chandeliers can be hung at varying heights to create depth and visual interest. How tall should a light be for a high ceiling? When it comes to the height of your high ceiling lighting, it's important to consider the overall scale of your room. As a general rule, your light fixture should be at least 1/3 the height of your ceiling. However, if you have a particularly tall ceiling, you may want to choose a fixture that is larger in size to create a more balanced look. Here these the 10 best high ceiling lighting ideas. 1. Chandeliers create a dramatic and elegant look in any high ceilinged room. 2. Cove lighting, concealed lighting that provides a soft and warm glow. 3. Floor lamps create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in any high ceilinged room. 4. LED strip lights add a modern touch to your space while providing soft and even illumination. 5. Pendant lights add a decorative element to your space while casting light downward. 6. Recessed lighting provides a clean and minimalist look that is perfect for modern spaces. 7. Skylights bring natural light into your space while creating a stunning architectural feature. 8. Table lamps provide a decorative element while casting light downward for task lighting. 9. Track lighting provides flexibility in terms of positioning and can be used to highlight specific areas of your room. 10. Wall sconces provide both ambient and task lighting while taking up minimal space. High ceiling lighting is an important aspect of any home decor. By choosing the right fixtures and positioning them correctly, you can create a stunning and sophisticated look that will elevate your space. Whether you prefer recessed lighting, pendant lights, or chandeliers, there is a high ceiling lighting option that will work for your style and budget. By incorporating high ceiling lighting into your home decor, you can create a space that is not only functional but also visually appealing. Whether you're looking to illuminate a large living room or a grand foyer, there is a high ceiling lighting option that will suit your needs. In conclusion, high ceiling lighting is an important element of any home decor. With the right fixtures and placement, you can create a stunning and sophisticated look that will elevate your space. By considering factors such as the type of lighting, fixture size, and placement, you can choose a high ceiling lighting option that is both functional and visually appealing. So, whether you're looking to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere or a dramatic and elegant look, high ceiling lighting is a great way to achieve your desired effect. Explore the different options and find the perfect high ceiling lighting fixtures for your home today. It is enough for the basics, After this, we will provide you gallery of unique high ceiling lighting for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.